panel. Turn the middler pressure lever wheel to adjust the steering. Remove the 2 screws on the lower side off the meter. Take out the original per instrument. Unplug the original car instrument powered cord. Put the old instrument into the new one. Loosen the power cord and upgrade cable. Under the meter. Install the trim panel. Recount the steering wheel to its original position. Set up to connect to CarPlay. After the meter opens the Link CarPlay screen, the meter is turned on. After entering the settings, use your mobile phone